Now the other great thing about our Beard Tarp V2 system is we're going to allow you to retrofit any previous mask you might have bought. Now that can include any sort of reusable mask that uses reusable drawcords. And as long as you can remove them and it has some sort of tunnel for you to slide the drawcord through, then you can use our new V2 system on. For this instance, I'm going to use one of our previous Beard Tarp V1 series. I'm just going to show you how we're going to use that. We're just going to cut off that drawcord. Take one of our elastic cords that you're going to get in your retrofit kit. You're just going to slide that right through the drawcord tunnel. It's going to come out the other side. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. Once you've got them through, then you can use any of the toggle setups that come with your retrofit kit to create any of those same Beard Tarp V2 toggle setups that you just saw us do. For this instance, I'm going to show you how to do the quick and easy one toggle. We're going to just take the largest pig nose toggle. We're going to slide through the top and bottom on the left side through the left hole. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. And now you've got that same elastic adjustable system that you can see on all of our Beard Tarp V2s in any mask that you choose to use.